Isn't that a pretty shape?
Okay.
Pear tree?
Must be, I'm thinking. She's good at finding them. Better than Edie was. I like the fairy garden. That's the fairy garden.
You got them, honey? That's a lot of eggs, isn't it?
I think there might be more that way too.
Yeah, I think there's more this way. Tala, there's some more over here.
That's a lot of work.
Tala, there's two over here. Or there's three over here.
Where is it?
They're over here on this
Look
side.
on the other side of the bushes. Over there. Go over where Mommy is.
Oh, there's
Easter
one.
Bunny was super busy.
Yeah. Tala, there's another one over here. There you go.
It's a door.
Yeah, and there's another door one over that way.
Hey, the Easter Bunny did a lot of hopping around.
Okay, and let me see your haul. Woohoo! That's a lot of eggs. Okay.
At the bottom of the wind thing.
Oh yeah.
Hey Tala.
Tala.
Oh, there's one.
I didn't see that one either.
Did it?
Hey, let's come back this way and see if there's any more.
Or? There's one.
There's one.
Oh, down under there.
Yeah.
Keep looking.
Here's one.
Oh, yep. I think there might be some over here too.
No, here's one. Found one.
Oh, good.
And purple. And
Keep looking. Look around.
oh, I found one. Got it.
Just starting.
Oh, I think I see another one over there.
Oh, green. Got it.
Hey, let's look this way.
Where is it?
Oh, wait.
Oh.
Well, we got that circle out there. Funny looking grass next to the.
Oh, another pig. Got it. Got it. Got it.
Good job. Wait.
One more.
Where is it?
Maybe if you look, there's one.
In the tree. Rabbit got up a tree.
Mm-hmm.
Yay. Okay, let's see.
Really big.
Wow, look at all of those. Woohoo. Woohoo. Now we get to go open them all up. Yay. Happy Easter. Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.